A nurse misses a compliance refresher because her shift ended at 3 a.m. A factory operator forgets a safety protocol he last saw 6 months ago in a language that wasn't his. In regulated industries, training gaps cost lives, licenses, and millions in fines. Healthcare and manufacturing run on regulations that change every quarter. But most training systems weren't built for that reality. One size fits all courses ignore that a surgeon and a billing clerk need different knowledge. Shift workers can't attend scheduled classes. Global teams speak different languages but face the same audits. And compliance content goes stale the second regulations update. Traditional LMS platforms make every problem worse, static, slow, and built for desks. AI changes the math. An AI-powered LMS does four things a traditional one can't. 1. Personalized paths. An AI course generator builds a unique track for every employee based on their role, their gaps, and their pace. 2. Mobile first. Training happens on a phone between rounds or shifts. No more waiting to get everyone in a room. 3. Multilingual. The same compliance standard pushed to every facility in every language. 4. Self-updating. When a regulation changes, the platform updates the content and tracks who has seen the new version. In healthcare, a nurse pulls a 4-minute refresher between shifts, and the hospital sees in real time who is certified and who is expiring this week. On a factory floor, a new operator runs a machine-specific safety module on a tablet in their language before touching the equipment. If you train people in a regulated industry, AI isn't optional. It's the difference between passing an audit and explaining one. Book a free demo at paradisosolutions.com/e-learning demo.